In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear Elementor cache. If your site's styling isn't updating or changes look stuck even after you hit update, clearing Elementor's cache is a quick and safe way to refresh the files Elementor uses behind the scenes. This process doesn't delete your content or layouts. It simply removes temporary files so Elementor can rebuild clean, up-to-date versions. Start in your WordPress dashboard. In the left-hand sidebar, look for Elementor, then open the Tools area. This is where Elementor keeps maintenance and troubleshooting options, including the cache controls we need. If you manage multiple sites or haven't been here before, don't worry. These tools are designed to be straightforward and won't affect your pages unless you specifically click an action. Once you're in Tools, switch to the General tab. The General tab groups common housekeeping actions that help resolve common issues, especially when styles or JavaScript don't seem to reflect recent edits. You'll see an option labeled Clear Files and Data. This is the key action. When you click Clear Files and Data, Elementor removes old, cached CSS and other generated assets and prepares to rebuild them fresh. It's helpful when global colors, typography, or responsive tweaks aren't showing up on the front end, or when a theme or plugin update has changed how assets should load. After clicking Clear Files and Data, make sure to click Save Changes. This step is important because it confirms the action and ensures Elementor properly regenerates the necessary files with your current settings. Think of it like tidying your workspace and then locking in the clean slate so everything loads as intended. Give it a moment, and then preview your site to confirm your updates are now visible. If you're still not seeing the changes, it can sometimes be due to your browser or another layer of caching outside Elementor. While we're focused on Elementor's cache here, remember that your browser, a caching plugin, your host, or a CDN can also hold on to older versions of your files. A quick private window or a hard refresh can help verify what visitors are seeing. To recap the flow, you'll use anytime styles feel stuck. Open Elementor in your WordPress dashboard, go to Tools, choose the General tab, click Clear Files and Data, and then click Save Changes. It's a simple maintenance routine that keeps your design workflow smooth and your published site accurate.